Hello everyone, myself is Vinod. In this session, we will learn to search a record using ASP.NET and C# from MS SQL Server. Earlier, we had learned to create database table in SQL Server and fed the record using form created in ASP.NET. Let us start. Start Visual Studio 2012. Open the project we were using, that is Students Web. Close all the opened files by clicking on Close All Documents. Now create a new web form. Right click on Students Web. Go to the option Add. Choose the first option, that is Add New Item. Create a web form. Be careful about the language chosen. Assign a file name. We are creating a form to search a record, so I am taking the name as search. Click on Add button. A form is added. A file is added. Now go inside the div section. Switch on the design mode. Create a form. Click on the option Table. Choose Insert Table. Let us have 6 rows and 2 columns. Set the alignment as center and keep here 500 pixels. Click on OK. You also start SQL Server 2012 to see the field's name. Click on Connect button. Extend database by double clicking on this. Now choose our database, that is Institute DB. Extend the table, and this is table name. Double click here to see the column names. Double click on columns. We have used here registration number, password, name, address, mobile and email. So this time we will write a program to search the record on the basis of registration number. So this time we will have the fields registration number, name, address, mobile and email in our form. Registration number, name, address, mobile, email. Take the text box in registration number and take one button, and in rest of the fields take label, because we just want to display the records, just want to display the data. So take label in all the fields, label, and here take one more label to display the message that the record is found or not. Assign the ID to all the fields. Assign the ID as txt reg number for the text box of registration number, and LBL name, and keep deleting the text. read the text, assign the ID, LBL address. LBL mobile. Delete text. Delete text. Assign the name LBL email. And assign the ID as LBL message. For the label, which will display the message, display the label text, and assign the text here as search and the ID as btn search. Now this is the time to write the program. We will fetch the data, we will fetch the record from SQL Server. Let us see what are the records we have. Right click on table and click on edit top 200 rows. It will display your records. These are the records. We have 5 records and the registration number of all the records are different. Now write the code to search the record. Double click on search. It will generate a function with the name btn search underscore click and it will take you to the C# page. So first of all, add the header file using system.data.sql client. Create the connection string, SQL connection, have the object name as C, new SQL connection. As we have learned, there are 4 parameters. There should be 4 parameters. And just open the created file. These are the parameters. Let's copy it and we'll paste it in this file, because we already know that how to create the connection string. We have already learned this. Now go inside the function btn search underscore click. Open the connection. Write down c dot open. Then use the class name SQL command. Have the object name as cmd equal to initialize the object name SQL command. Select star. As you all know that to display all the records we use select star from the name of the table. So writing a select star from students. But we have to search the student's record on the basis of the registration number. So right here the where clause, select star from students where, just check out the field name. Spelling should be exactly same. Reg number is the field name. So right here reg number equal to, we have the reg number as the varchar type, so we'll use the single quote. And now we have to pick the data from the text box, so we'll use double quote and plus symbol. Then write txt reg number dot text plus inverted comma single quote, and then finally use the double quote to close this inverted comma, then comma, the name of the connection string, that is C. And here we will use the class SQL data reader. Create an object name as dr equal to cmd. This is the object name of SQL command, cmd dot execute reader. sorry, write down execute reader. Execute reader. It will fetch the record, and then write if dr, that is the object name of SQL data reader, if dr.read, read is a function, if dr.read means if there is a record, then it will go inside these braces, otherwise it won't go. So if dr.read means if we are getting a record, then it will go in this section. So right here, if dr.read current lbl name dot text equal to name of the data reader is dr, so we will use here dr, and then inside the square bracket write down the exact field name as we have used in the SQL Server. Like here we have used the field name as name. N is in capital letter, rest are in small. So right here name, because it will pick the data from the SQL Server. So we'll use the exact field name as we have used in SQL Server. Dot, now you will have to convert the received data into the form of string. So we will use the function toString. Similarly, write the instruction for rest of the labels. lbl address dot text equal to dr address dot toString. lbl mobile lbl mobile dot text equal to dr mobile dot toString. lbl email dot text equal to dr email dot toString. And must write the else case. If the record not found, then in that case the else portion will get executed. So right here lbl message dot text equal to record not found. So we have written the program. Let us execute the form. Click on Google Chrome to execute this form. Yes, we go to the form. Now we have to write the registration number of a student. So let us see the name stored in the table A001, A02 like that. So write down S001. Click on search. Yes, we found the record. Write down A002. Let us check the another record. Yes. But what happens when we write down such a registration number which is not available in our list? A008. What happens? See. It displays the record not found as well as the data we had last searched are already displaying here. So we want that if the record not found, in that case it will display the message that record not found, and it should erase the previous searched record. So how will you do this? Go into Visual Studio, stop the execution, and go in the portion else. Suppose you have searched a record which is present in the table that displayed, but after the execution, after the searching of the first record, you are searching the next record which is not available in the table. In that case, the record searched here should be erased here, and it should display only the message that record not found. So what you should do, write down lbl name dot text equal to opening and closing inverted comma. Doing this, it will replace the displayed name with space. Keep doing for all the fields. lbl address dot text equal to, yes, for all the other data, lbl mobile dot text equal to this lbl email dot text equal to space. Now try once again. This time search H002. Yes, displayed the record. Let's check 4. Click on search. Yes, it's Anushka. And suppose we are writing 8, as we know that this registration number is not available in our table. See what happens when we click on search. Cleared the form and displayed the message that record not found. But see, if we write here 4, which is available in our table, then in that case what happens? Click on search, displayed the record, but also displaying that record not found, because we have not removed this when we found the record. So how will you do this? Go inside the Visual Studio, go inside dr.read. If record found, in that case the message should be erased. So write down lbl message dot text equal to single quote inverted comma opening and closing and then semicolon. Stop, save the file and run again. Write down the registration number, suppose H003. It displays the record. Let's check H004. Again displayed the record. Now trying 9. It displayed the message that record not found. Now again try the record which is available in our table, H003. Click on search. Yes, this time our record got displayed and the message erased. Now again try the 9. Yes, the data erased and the message displayed. Now we want to display this message in red color to alert us. So how will you do that? Go in your form and simply click on the label. Here option is available. Click on the red color, and also this is the message, so it should be displayed in italic. Click on I. Now your message will be displayed in red color and in italic mode. So runs once again. I have not clicked on the save button, but it will automatically save the form before execution. Write down S002. Yes, displayed. A007 displayed the message that record not found. A004 displays the data. So this way we write the program to search a record. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn to create a web form to search where we can get the one or multiple records. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video and click on bell icon to get the notification.